Hello and welcome to the Genus Chassis Plinth and our virtual show here at ETL. And I'd just like to run through this new design of multi-module chassis. ETL has been well known for high capacity splitters and combiners and other modules in its modular system. And this is the second generation, known as the Genus. So it's a high capacity chassis holding up to 17 card modules, and it's designed to maximize your rack space in your teleport and to improve your RF signal management. So at the moment the design shows that it's on the website that it's housing splitters and combiners, and these are 4 to 1 and 1 to 4 for uplink and downlink signals. In the future we're going to introduce line amplifiers and a range of 8-way splitters. All of the splitter combiner cards feature dual redundant amplifiers, variable gain and LMB powering. What our engineers have done is combine the best features of the modular system into these splitter and combiner cards. So now we have one design of splitter card that provides variable gain, slope compensation and LMB powering. The combiner card as well provides variable gain and slope compensation. All the cards themselves are hot swap from the rear, and the chassis itself now has a number of new features. Not only these hot swap PSUs that you can see at the front, but a hot swap HMI, CPU card and the latest SNMP V3. Okay, let's have a closer look at the Genus 3U RF Distribution system, which houses 17 modules. The new design features are that we've got front-mounted hot swap PSUs here and a hot swap HMI, which also houses the hot swap CPU. The CPU has built-in SNMP V3 for improved security remote control. This colour screen also can be replicated on the remote control software for any NMS system. Okay, so let's have a closer look at the rear of the Genus RF distribution system. Here we can see the 17 ports for the various RF distribution cards. We can got IEC inlets at the back, input 1 and input 2 for a main and redundant supply if you've got a USB in your teleport, and remote control comms here from the RJ45 connection. So we'll have a quick look on the splitter and combiner configuration. Here we have a back plane, so you could have a variety of RF connectors such as F-type, BNC or SMA, and we have a simple common port to either inputs for combiner or outputs for a splitter. Each of the cards is accessed from the rear, and we can very easily slide in new cards as the chassis is expanded. And as I mentioned, that could be with line amplifiers or 8-way splitters as well. The card itself is very high performing. We've got screening over the top of the card to ensure that isolation is maximized between the cards themselves. And we have a generic connector system which enables the backplane to operate with a number of RF connectors. Thank you again for coming to visit the ETL virtual show plinths and having a look at some of our products. Of course, if there's something that you need to know, please contact the relevant sales manager for your country, or have a look at our website, and detailed data sheets will give you even more detail than I've covered today, along with some of my colleagues. Thanks a lot, and we hope to see you soon.